Welcome people to Go Christy, and I'm back at it again with another video. And in today's video I'm showing you guys how I did my hair for my Jamaica trip. I decided to do some passion twists and they came out pretty good. I did decide to get 30 inches. I know I decided to go all out, but it was worth it. I also did do black, like full black this time, and it's been a while since I got my protective style in full black, but I ain't mad at it. So the hair that I got was from Amazon. It came in about 7 packs and I did use 4 packs to do my hair. In total I got between 40 to 50 twists, which isn't bad. It took me a little over 8 hours to do, only because this was the first time I was using this 3-panel mirror to do my parting, and I kind of had to adjust to it and kind of, get a little comfortable. But other than that, I feel like this would have been a little bit easier. And it also did take some time to also do the twist because it is 30 inches and I did unravel the hair. So this hair is time consuming, especially because I did it on myself, but nonetheless it did come out pretty cute. So right here, as you guys can see, I am doing the rubber band method. So I'm making my parts and I'm using the Shine and Jam conditioning gel to smooth my hair out, and I'm attaching the elastic bands to it just so it does not it does not tug on my hair a lot, but it also helps with when I put in the crochet hair. So if you're one who does not grip your hair very tightly, or you don't want to grip your hair very tightly but you want to make sure your hair is secured, then the rubber band method is a easy and safe method that you can use. So I did the rubber band method just so it helps me to section off my parting and that I don't get a lot of pulling. So that is pretty much what I did.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry.
After I've done all my twists or my sections, I unravel the crochet braid here and I attach it with my crochet needle. This hair does come with a crochet needle, so if you don't have one, you don't need to buy an extra one because the pack does come with one. So I pretty much just attach the crochet braid to my hair and I try to make sure it is even, and I take the conditioning gel and I smooth out my entire hair to get it as flat and as smooth as possible so there's no sticking out once I start to twist. And once I've done that, I make sure that I look on the direction in which the curl is going, because you don't want to, when you start twisting, it starts to unravel. So I figured out which way the twists were going and then I started to twist in that direction. This also was a little bit weird because I was twisting in the opposite direction of how I normally twist. I don't know if you guys have like a specific direction that you guys twist, but it was at the opposite of how I twist. So I kind of had to get used to that and focus to make sure that I was twisting it the right way. And I also made my boyfriend help me. You guys will see him to help me do these twists. These twists don't need any kind of specific twisting because my boyfriend did it and they did not unravel. They look nice, big, and juicy. And at the end, when I finished all my passion twists, I went in with some deep wave hair. I got it from Amazon as well. I'll leave it in the link below. It is synthetic, so it will matte after a while, but I just feel like all these hairs matte after a while whenever you try the goddess look. Correct me if I'm wrong down below, or if you have had in hair that you did the goddess with and it did not mat up or anything, just let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, so after I applied my little curly strands, I moussed it, and that was pretty much it for the style. And I think it was super nice, super cute. I will say though, if you're gonna go on vacation and you are gonna wet your hair and it is natural, I would probably say maybe the style is not the one for you, because your hair will revert if you wet your hair repeatedly, because that did happen to me. But either way, it's super cute. If you're not gonna get your hair wet, it's a nice style, and I paid probably about $35 for the style, maybe 40, so it was very affordable. But that's pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. It's your girl Chrissy, and I'm signing out. Bye.
Shaking, moving, I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a fuck. I ain't come to argue, let a nigga fuck. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joy, might do my dance on him. Take no disrespect, might put my hands on him. Hit this chicken, now she wanna marry me. But she gon' need some closure and some therapy. Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers hell, I know they happy that I left. Hit the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet. Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Hey, look, came in with the what's that? Left out with the who she? Laying game like 2D, I been kicking shit like Bruce Lee. Margarita to the brim tip, black denim need a slim fit. Same people that I flex with be the ones that I'm in the gym with. I'm a living legend, you a dead cause, and I'm dead ass. No, I'm dead right. Leaving early, but I'm here night. Long and short to keep the head right. Teed up out in Malibu, got sand all in my good shoes. Press a nigga with the pessimism, but I only came for the good news. I am the show that they came for, hitting the target I aim for. We been discussing the contract, just telling they get what they paid for. I am not fucking with poverty, really it started to bother me. I need the yacht with the property, they come with the view that you gotta see. Came up from the basement, hit the rooftop with a passion. Bad bitch with some good credit and a good sense for the fashion. Dope blowing with the left hand, ass gripping with the right hand. Uber share to the airport, I'ma hit you back when my flight land. I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Ayy, poppin' like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rent do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't tryna hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack, who got the roll up? I'm tryna pull up. It seem like every time I show up, it gotta go up. See the drip, they see the glow up. Oh, now they know us. See, it's funny how my pockets out of shape, but I fit for the flex. Clear the phone call, hit my chick with a text. Parlay through the bird with my drip from the jets. Save a couple hundred, buy your with the rest. I prefer my reefer with Henny and Coke. Please don't be stingy, got plenty to smoke. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Ayy, winning like I ought to. I ain't wanna do it, but I got to. Smoking what my doctor told me not to. Got these wishing they was hot too. Ballin' like I need to. it for a redo. Smell the marijuana when I speed through. Hit her with a tip, that's a preview. Hold up, wait up, get your weight up. Shit, get your money, not your hater. Boy, draw a play up. I flip my wrist, it a layup. She wanna lay up. I gotta get it, I must stay up. I'm all the way up. I got my pay up. I ain't playing with you. I'm a coach now. Commentating, do the most now. I be somewhere booted with my toes down. Make little baby tooted with her nose down. I prefer my reefer with Henny and Coke. Please don't be stingy, got plenty to smoke. Show up and act up and back to the crib.